Get insights from raw data in seconds. No more copy-paste. You've got 70,000 rows of invoice data. Your boss wants a report by lunch. Just ask, what was weekly revenue in December 2010? What are the top 5 products? 10 seconds. Done. That's the same query that used to take you 15 minutes to write. And if you want to see exactly what happened under the hood, here's the SQL. Run it yourself. Full transparency. Control what AI sees. Never expose everything. Now let's say you need to find your top customers, but there's a problem. You can't expose customer names to AI. Watch what happens. The AI asks which columns it can access. We'll give it customer IDs only, no names. The AI finds your top buyers without ever seeing who they are. Then you just take that ID, filter your table, and there's your answer. Insights without exposure. Finally, a database client that feels modern. Start fresh, open a local project, or clone straight from GitHub. Grab your repo URL, paste it in, and you're working in seconds. Your whole team, same setup. Database connections are already configured. Just add your credentials and connect. Filter data the way you'd expect. Click a column, pick values, just like the spreadsheet you already know. Sort with a click. Paste data straight from Google Sheets. Save. Write queries in proper SQL files. Run them. Save your work. Version control it. This is how data tooling should feel. Head to Sheeta AI and download it free. Your databases will thank you.